Wouldn't you love when Allah forgives you? Right? We learn a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, "Man lam yashkur Allah, lam yashkur an-nas." Whoever is not grateful to Allah is not grateful to people. Allah teaches us about this relationship that if we want certain things from Allah, then we have to demonstrate that to people as well. We can't be patient. We can't expect Allah to be patient with us and not be patient with others. We can't expect Allah to forgive us and not forgive people. We learned this. There's a reciprocal relationship. We can't expect Allah to appreciate what we do and we don't appreciate what other people do, right? There's a beautiful personality trait, and it's actually psychologically sound if you think about it. How is a person going to be pious and spiritual with God and horrible with others? You can't just flip it on and on like a light switch, right? The one who is praying to Allah and their humility with Allah has to carry, it's almost like has to spill out of the cup and manifest with other people as well. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that this justice, that He is part of His essence, we also have to reflect that justice as well. We cannot oppress people. We cannot speak about them. We cannot hurt them. We cannot put people in that position.